Part 1 for Say Less is the bass line. You can play that on a bass guitar or a 6-string guitar. All of the notes are on string 6, and they are 3, 6, 8, 1, and repeat back to 3. So let's find our frets first. 3, 6, 8, big jump to 1, and 3. I use the dots on the side of my guitar to help me remember where they are. My dots are on 3, 5, 7, 9, and 12. So look at your instrument, find out what dots are. Some people put a line of masking tape here and write the fret numbers as they learn their parts. So let's practice the rhythm. Chords, 2, 3, 3. 8, 1, 3. Once you get that rhythm, you've got the whole song down for the bass line. So let's do a practice together at 72 beats per minute. We'll slow down a little bit. Chords, 2, ready, go. 6, 8, 1, 3, go. Keep it steady. Keep it going. 3, 6, 8, 1, 3. Try to say the numbers as you play them. Now 6, 6, 8, 1, 3. 6, 8, 1, 3. 6, 8, 1, 3. Keep it steady. Keep practicing. Here we go. 6, 8, 1, 3. You got it. Got it. All right, keep practicing.